So guys, I was facing some issue. Hope this time I'll ping you. Can anyone confirm? So I was facing some issue. Okay, let me. So guys, I was facing some issue. It was not public, so I checked that. Uh, you know, now it's public. So can anyone confirm? Am I audible? In the chat, you can. Okay, you can post your doubt in chat. Okay. If you have any doubt related to interview calls, what a skill set you have to learn, post on the chat. Okay, I will reply back to you. And just I will give you the update regarding the interview calls. So till December, hiring is slow. So you have a time now. You have to upgrade yourself. Current market, what you have to learn: UI automation and API automation is mandatory. Either you can go for Java, Selenium, REST Assured, or you can go for Playwright with JavaScript. Whatever, JavaScript is the first choice. Make sure whatever the automation you are learning, programming, you have to focus on the programming skills. You have to focus on, you know, logical programming, and any framework you can pick. Either you can go for Selenium or either you can go for Playwright. Okay, so and your framework. So framework is also very important. Framework development, because as a experience they will ask you the framework, from end to end. Okay, and what is your roles and responsibility. So now you have a time to upgrade your skill set, brush up. And if you have any question, just post me and I will reply back to you. Okay, if you have any question related to why are you not getting the interview calls, and whatever your problem you are facing, you can post on the chat. I will reply back to you. Okay, just give me a second. Ask me the question, whatever, what the question, like related to interview calls, what technology you have to learn, and what is your current skills, and what you have to learn next, what you have to learn next. Okay, you can post me. So uh, the first thing, you know keep updating your profile properly. Many of them you already learned, but your job description is not matching with company. Sorry, your profile is not matching with your company job description. So you are keep applying, but your resume is not going. Your resume is not shortlisted. So that's why you are not getting the interview calls. Okay. So in the LinkedIn, many of them are sending the profile, but still you are not getting the calls, or your resume is not shortlisted. So I request you, when I'm posting any job, go through the description. Okay, if your 50% profile will also match, that is also fine. I don't have any handy GitHub. Okay, uh, GitHub framework. So, but you will get many GitHub framework for the BBD when you will search on the Google and use ChatGPT and Gemini. Ask, write your requirement to create a BBD framework, whatever with Java, Selenium. Clone this code and import in your Eclipse, you will get it. Okay, and start to execute in your Eclipse or IntelliJ. Okay, so publicly I don't have any framework right now. Okay, but yeah, guys. So if you have a basics, which framework prepares mostly? See, if you will go for see now, you have to go for either you can go for TestNG with POM or BBD. But I will recommend you. You can if you are going as a means Java, Selenium or Cucumber framework, and you can add also REST assured. I will add you. Okay, I'll share the link on the WhatsApp group or LinkedIn also, where you will get my job post. So you can say your hybrid framework, the combination of page object, data driven or BBD. So guys, framework is not like we have a types of the framework, right? We have a many types of the framework, but you can include Java, Selenium, TestNG, BBD, and REST assured. So currently, whatever the framework you are working with UI and API both. You can say the hybrid framework with BBD. Okay. Okay. So let me share you the WhatsApp group. One second. Post your doubt, guys. Okay. Post your doubt. I copy this. I'm not sure. I'm not able to copy this. Before I was coming live frequently, but due to some time issue, I stopped it. But yeah, right now it's currently in weekend when I will be free. I will try to come live. Okay, not able to copy. Yeah, I'm posting you. So I'm not able to copy the link. So I'll do one thing. I will post. Oh, one second, guys. I am posting many places. If you will join one place also, that is fine. So, guys, you will get many requirement in this Instagram. Is the same thing I am posting everywhere. Okay, so you can join this or you can follow this link. Okay, you will get job notification. You can reach out to me. I will share you the other platform also. Sir, only learning, practicing the Java with Selenium and manual tester only. Shall I put 2 or 3 years of experience? I put how much I have to a strong skill automation. Okay, so your question is good, definitely. Okay, suppose I have to switch one profile to another profile, right? Suppose I have to switch. Suppose I work with a Selenium with Java, and I have to switch in Playwright. Okay, so this is the common thing you have to do. So first of all, guys, learn programming. Okay, the question you ask me how much practice is required for 2 to 3 years of experience. You can consider 2 to 5 years of experience. If you have a 2 to 5 years of experience, we will expect same work, guys. Okay, if you are extending more than 5, then company expect more work from you. Okay, but if you are 2 to 5 year, then learn basics. Okay, programming you have to learn in the depth. If you guys will go in interview, right, 60 to 70% question they will ask you for Java or whatever the programming like Python or JavaScript. Here is the problem. So here we are avoiding Directly we are jumping to learn, um, I can say, directly we are learning Selenium, writing the script, executing the script, you learn the basics. Okay, but the advanced topics is also fine, but we are not doing the practice for the framework. Basics means advanced, sorry, Java, important basics of the Java, up concept, a string, interface, abstract class, collection, exception handling. These are the major topic you have to learn. Then Selenium basics to advance. Okay. Basics to advance you have to learn Selenium and framework. Okay, so guys, you will ask to the chat GPT, they will implement you the framework, clone the code and start to work on it. Framework only you will understand when you are good in the core Java, when you are good in the basics. Then what you have to do, you can pick any website. Okay, write manual test cases. You can write around 50 test cases. Write manual means you can check, you can take any website and write 50 test cases. So if you have implemented, if you have implemented your framework, now you have a knowledge of the framework. In the same framework, you can automate at least 50 test cases. Apart from that, you have a knowledge of Git, Jenkins. Okay, how to push the code. If you will get the conflict, how to solve that conflict. Then basics knowledge of Jenkins. You have to not become the mastering on the Jenkins. We have a many thing. At least you should know how to configure the jobs. Okay, how to schedule the jobs. If you will do this practice, you can go to 3 to 5 year of experience. And people are lacking in real time questions. So you have to also learn agile methodology, how it will work. If you guys are going as experience, if I will ask you, can you explain the agile methodology? Okay, how means in which phase of project you have to start your automation. We have a different phases, guys. Okay, some of the project we don't have automation, you have to start from the scratch. Some of the project we have automation. Okay, and existing framework we are going to enhance, or we have started to implement the start to automating the manual test cases. Okay, so these things you have to learn in the depth. Agile methodology. Okay, how to estimate your task. Okay, if I will take your interview, if you know the basics, advanced and all, but these are the questions you will stuck, or you will get this all the video on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you will get how the agile works. Okay, and if you are interested, you guys can also attend my mock interview. I already uploaded many videos, so note down what I told you and start to working on it. 3 to 2 to 5 year of experience you can nicely put. Okay, but you have to do hard work. Okay, so without hard work it will not possible. Okay, so next question, for 7.5, how much basic CTC? So I see, if you are very good in automation. Okay, I'm just taking the question. If you have a 7.5 year, how much CTC we can expect? If you have a primary skills is your automation, suppose I consider 4 year of experience in automation and remaining in manual, depend upon your current salary. If your current salary is less, take a multiple offer letter. Okay, at least 7.5 year of experience, I expect 18 to 25 LPA. Okay, depend upon your current salary. Might be your salary is 10 LPA, right? You can get 100% hike. Okay, you can get 100% hike. I think she joined the wrong link. 1 second, guys. Okay, so your current salary what it is, but you can expect 100% you know hike. Okay, And I told you it salary will vary your skill set. What is your current skill set? Okay, you can go for 20 25, and if you will go in your product based company, guys, product based for 7 year of experience. If you are very good in automation, they are paying more than 30 lpa also. So what is your current skill set, you know, accordingly, and what is your current ctc, you can get the salary. Is playwright is replacing selenium? So Sumit, if you already have a learning, suppose you are learning the selenium, you are middle in the selenium, okay, and you are not confident, or just you cannot stop it, okay. If you if you already learn selenium and you have worked with some of the project, you are very good in selenium. If I will get in the task in the selenium, I'm able to do it. Not only selenium, you have to, if you guys are from java selenium, please learn rest assured if you want a job, okay. Understood, right? UI and API, I told you, right? If you are good in the java and selenium, next, why I'm going to tell you, you have to learn rest assured, because rest assured will take less time to upgrade yourself, and you can get quickly job. But if you will go for again playwright, if you will go for the java with playwright, that is fine. But the currently market, if you will go to job description, guys, so they are mentioning javascript with playwright, okay. So in which phase you are, okay. If you are in the middle, please do not stop to learn selenium, explore selenium, cucumber framework, and rest assured, and start your interview. If you already work with the selenium, you are very confident in the rest assured, and definitely you can upgrade playwright. But if you are in the middle, please do not stop it. Just explore, implement framework from the scratch, automate number of test cases using the same framework, and Git, Jenkins. So I don't think so you will not get the interview calls. And Selenium will never replace, guys. So they will definitely, they are updating. But now the playwright is, you know, if you will go in the job description, you can see they have mentioned Selenium and playwright. Okay, so they will consider your profile. If you know the both skill well and good, if you are in perfect in one skills also, you will get the interview calls. Okay, I know about, but cannot schedule the interview. Uh, I am a knowledge about, but cannot schedule the interview. I have experience in spider ride. I'm not getting your question. Okay, if you will clarify your doubt, I'm not getting your question. रियल एक्सपीरियंस 3.5 ईयर का है, और रिज्यूम में 2.5 साल पहले ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस 6 LPA लिया था, अब 9 LPA हो गया है, लेकिन ठीक निकालना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन 3.5 ईयर है CTC। ओह, not sure what is that. So yeah, I'll come to you. Uh, I'll come to you. So what you have to do, 3.5 year or you have a 9 LPA, and definitely currently the QA market, right? If you want more salary, and definitely you have a, at least, see, some of the company will reject your profile, but service based company, because they have a limited budget, okay. So you have to target product based company. This is the one option. 3.5 a current CTC. If you have a 9 LPA, you have to target MNC product based company. They can give you the high package. This is the one option. Second option, okay, you can add 2 year fake experience. then your experience will be around, you know, 5, 5.5 year, then you can get hike. But the whatever the, MNC company currently we have, right, they won't we give you when they will reject your profile because your salary is already high. Okay, so they will reject you. So you have a two option: either you have to target only MNC product based company, or you can put 2 year or 2.5 year experience. How much CTC expect as a 6 point? Subham. Okay, so Subham, your depend upon your skill set. If you are good in automation, okay, and depend upon what type of the company. Okay, depend upon sometime what happen. Company, have a good budget, so they are paying good. But if you have a 3.6 year, if you are good in manual and automation, you can get till 10 LPA also. Okay, 10 and 12 LPA also. But I'm just saying for highest salary, not for top level of the product based company, because the top level of the product based company, few of the people switch in the same year what you have 3.6, they have paid like 14 LPA also 16 LPA. But the average salary you can expect 8 to 10, 12 max. Okay. I'll take another question. Do we need tree graph recursion backtracking for automation testing? We use the things in real life. A basic Java, because basics will not work for you. Okay, make sure, guys. The mostly, you know, what I have observed when I have a live classes also means I have my online classes as well. Okay, and when I was learning automation testing, so only the QA engineer, because now these days automation is mandatory. If you will go for any Udemy courses, any live classes and offline classes also, they teach basics programming. Okay, basics programming we use in Selenium, but the company is not looking for you have a basics knowledge in programming. So I request you please learn Java in the depth. Okay, if you know the Java, okay, or basic Selenium, I'm saying if you know the Java and basic Selenium, basics means you have all the knowledge how to handle radio button, how to handle checkbox, how to handle pop-up, how to handle multiple window. You have a knowledge of test-ng, page object, okay, how to handle the data from the external. Then you can implement the framework using the chat GPT. Okay, and if you will write the requirement, and definitely chat GPT will give you the code. Zip you can just extract and clone in your local system, download and import in your Eclipse, test your framework, and if will work, automate the test cases. Understood, right? So complex scenario, when you will start practicing, right, you understand what is your level. Where if you are going to a stuck, right, I told you, right, you have to automate, guys. If you did not work in the real time, automate 50 test cases into in 50 test cases, then only you will get the confidence. And when you will practicing this 50 test cases, and you see you are saying the complex, you can go for any e-commerce application, many dummy application is there. If you will automate 50 test cases, if you will implemented your framework, if you will stuck in the interview, right, so interviewer will also consider your profile. Because when I'm working in the project, sometimes what they're asking I did not face earlier. Okay, but you have a confident. Interviewer is not looking for you are a 100% result. No, they are looking for these guys have some basics. Means are you able to understand the code base? Are you able to understand your framework into it? Are you able to write the script? Are you able to write some basics function, reusable method? These are the requirement. Okay, nowadays days it's a very easy to work in the real time. All the code you will get on the chat GPT, Gemini, and whatever generative AI is there. Okay, so what I given you, right? Feedback, please work on this. If you will automate guys 50 test cases yourself, you, you should also not develop the advanced framework. Day by day you can improve your framework. Suppose my test data is hard coded. Every time I'm going to change the test data. How to make this test data is dynamic. Understood, right? So what you have to do? Automation means automation only we do when we have a some sometime repeated task. You know you have to run the regression, but the core part of the testing you have to do manually. Automation we do to save our time, to spend our time on the core part of the testing. Understood, right? So why the company will hire the multiple people? Sometimes we don't have a manual task. If you don't have automation skill, they will fire you. Why the company will pay you? So that level of the practice, please do it. Okay, मुझे 3.3 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है बट इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल नहीं हो रहा है. My current CTC is 4.5. And why they are not scheduling the interview? As per your experience, your CTC is also less. And why are you expecting 6.6, 6.5? Hmm? You have to go for at least 50% hike, take the multiple offer letter. Check. I'm not sure what the problem in your profile. Okay, so not sure if your profile is means real, might be. uh what is one more thing guys, your notice period is one of the challenging thing. Okay, so if you will mention 90 days notice period, you won't be get the interview calls. I tried everything. Okay, when you will mention 90 days notice period, you have to scan yourself. Okay, apply with multiple, again keep applying. Okay, and if they are not replying back, you can't do anything. So guys, 90 days notice period, nobody will accept you. What do you have to do then? If you are in the bench, or if you want to switch in the company, then this is the golden opportunity for you. Okay, they will release you. If you are in the project, you can apply the same thing. Mention notice period 30 to 45 days. If you have a 90 days notice period, at least you will get the interview calls. If interviewer will ask you what is your official notice period, you can say 90 days. But currently I am on the bench, but you are not on the bench. Okay, if they will, out of 10 company, 7 or 6 company will consider your profile. At least they will schedule your interview. So if they will not schedule, then how you can, you don't know what is your level. Attend the interview. If you will get the offer letter, what you have to do? Because your 90 days notice period, and you have to say, you already told you have a 90 means 30 days or 45 days you have to join. If you will get the offer letter, put on the paper and try to negotiate with your current company. If they will not release you, okay, so in this condition this thing happen. Okay, if they will not release you, but when you will put on the paper, now you are free. You have a confidence, now you can get the another offer letter. Or the new company, you have to not disclose my current company is not releasing me. Just you can tell 1 week before. Okay, why I am telling you 1 week, they will not find the new resources. Understood, right? Again they have to wait for 1 month. So in this chance might be they will extend your joining date. Okay, but 1% and 2% is failure is there. So you have a some backup offer letter also. Okay, this is the one thing. ओके गाइस, सो अभी 3.5 ईयर का टोटल मैनुअल का है, लेकिन सेलेनियम जावा आता है. प्रोजेक्ट ऐड करके 5 ईयर दिखा दूंगा. थोड़ा ना जाए उसके लिए। mm, I didn't get your question. Let me read again. So guys, I'm just reading the question one by one. um, is having doubt, is having a 3.5 year of total experience in manual है, लेकिन सेलेनियम जब आता है तो प्रोजेक्ट ऐड करके 5 ईयर दिखा दूंगा फेक एक्सपीरियंस. So if you have a current experience is real, right? So company will focus on more your current company. They will do proper background verification checks in your current company. Previous company might be they will just do the call verification, because many of the company, you know, they hire some third party to do the verification, so they have to invest money. Okay, make means if you will find the proper consultancy, they will take care your verification, guys. So you have to focus on, if you are going in the 5 year of experience, I already told you what you have to do in the automation, then you are a confident and you are able to work in the company. Okay, sir. Salary currently 4 LPA, only 9 year of experience. Salary currently 4 LPA. Okay, 9 year of experience, out of that 4 year in manual. For plan to move in another company, salary is low. If I, how much for 9 year of experience you can expect 100. Your salary is 4 LP, right? If you just show, right, 4 year of experience or 5 year of experience in automation testing, totally depend upon how much you are good in the automation. Okay, if you will have a 4 to 5 year of experience, in automation, this 4 LPA doesn't matter. You can switch, you can get multiple offer letter, you can make 20 more than 20 also, and depend upon if you have a, if you are good in the skill set, or you are getting the multiple offer letter. So 9 LPA, definitely you can cross 20. Okay, 20 LPA. Okay, for 9 year of experience you can cross 20 LPA. Okay, but yes, the role for, don't resign guys before offer letter. Okay, one more thing guys, please do not resign without offer letter. I already told you, if you have a 90 days notice period, how to get the offer letter. Why I'm saying you, right? If you will resign, then double pressure will come to you. Okay, if you will not get the job, means if your notice period is completed, understood, right? So please do not resign until you will get one offer letter. If you will get one offer letter, you are confident you will get the another offer letter. This thing already happened. Many of them already resigned, and they struggle while attending the interview. They are rejecting in the interview because their preparation is not good. Okay, so please do not do it. If you are confident with one offer letter, then okay. Because seeing, okay, companies nowadays days are ask only data structure and algorithm. We do Java till collection, but now they ask me very complex coding question. At the start, they ask the background of the collection. So because we have a different level of the coding, okay. The first level of the coding, you have to do it. Second level of the coding, if you want, I'm not sure in which company you are applying over there, okay, but still service-based company and MNC company, they will not go for the data structure and algorithm. But if you are targeting any product based company, MNC company, they have a some standard. They are not looking for you are a QA developer or what. They have a some standard of the coding, so they will ask you. Totally depend upon you. See, go step by step. If you want immediately job, right, go for basics programming. So one, let me helping you. 90% service based company, Just practice 110 code is there. These are the one level of programming. If you done in this website one level of the programming, then go for lead code. Okay, lead code. Okay, again, I told you you can get some free thing also here. You have to explore. Okay, if you want to explore or if you want to practice for product based company, but before going for lead code, please complete your Java concept of the day. Or if they are asking, if you, because complex coding they will ask you in the product based company, but service based they will ask you average level of the coding. Okay, your choice. If you want to go for the product based company and you are very interested to learn data structure algorithm, your choice. Okay, but if give the priority, switch the company. If you're not in experience in automation, work in any company 2 year or 3 year, get the real experience, then plan for product base or whatever the company you will target. But do not go for as a, what happened, right? People are having the more pressure. Okay, don't go for the pressure like, you're not able to do it. Check your levels. What is your levels? Understood, right? So in automation, that level of data structure and algorithm is not required. Okay, you have to write the proper logic. Either you can go for Python, JavaScript, Java, three programming language: Python, JavaScript and Java. Okay. Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, एक्सेल जैसी कंपनी में फेक पकड़े। अभी करंट वाला कंपनी रियल है और लास्ट वाला TCS you can't do it. Infosys, TCS, Cognizant you can't do it. I'm not sure about the Hexaware. I have to check. But please do not go, guys. If you have any, except this company, many companies are there. Yaar. Why are you targeting this fellow company? Okay, don't target this fellows company. Except this, many companies are there. They are looking for a skilled people, not too much verification and all. Don't target any specific company, guys. Target MNC company if you are comfortable. If you are a, suppose someone have a choice to work in the startup company or product based company, that is your preparation will be a next level. You have to do it. But for the service based and middle companies, are many companies are there. Except this company, if you are getting the interview calls, just attend the interview calls and check what level of the question they are asking. That's it. But do not go for these companies. Okay. Hi Mohit, I have a 6.7 year of experience in IT. I am confused between choosing the either automation, DevOps. What is your previous profile, Haris? Means 6.7 year, in which profile you have worked earlier? Means just explain me. Then why are you going for DevOps and all? Okay. See guys, testing is your skill. Okay. If you know the testing right, this automation testing is easy for you. DevOps is your choice, but go for automation testing with UI and API. Okay, either you can go for Java, Selenium, and REST assured. Either you can go for Playwright with JavaScript. Playwright with JavaScript, you can automate UI also and API also. Work on the framework, automate 50 test cases minimum using the framework, and just go ahead. Don't go for production support. Okay, so don't go for production support because if you already worked, you know the production support job, right? Understood, right? But testing is little bit stable as compared to production support. Okay, make sure go for one profile. I will recommend you go for automation testing. In the future, if you are perfect in the automation, You can start to explore your DevOps tool and cloud. Okay, but don't go for multiple profile. First you have to become the mastering in automation. You will switch, you are able to switch also, and you are able to survive in the company. Should I target लास्ट वाला भी रियल था एंड लास्ट से लास्ट का फेक है Daniel, uh, first of all, check with your consultancy when you are, have a some fake experience. So consultancy having some guidance where they can qualify, understood right? Where they can qualify, mean, sorry, there where they can clear your verification, background verification. They will give you the proper guidance. Okay, but if you have a last to last company is fake, I told you right, except few of the company like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, and few of more are there. These are the company. Do not go for this. Apart from that, many companies are there. You can target, check in the Glassdoor, and what is the best thing? If you are getting the interview right from any company, please attend the interview. Take the experience. When you will get the offer letter right, check the rating in Glassdoor and connect with the people who is working in that company. You can find many people on the LinkedIn. They are working in the, suppose I have I got the offer from Bipro. Okay, I don't know how the Bipro is it. I will connect directly who is working in the Bipro in the same location. We'll check. But sometime company is good but your project is not good, manager is not good. So that is a different thing. Okay, like that you can do it. I will recommend you, if you want to go as a fresh, I will recommend you go for JavaScript with Playwright. Okay, because JavaScript, a Playwright, in the coming years, more opportunities are there. If you know the both Selenium and Java, well and good. But if you want to start now, right, then definitely you guys can, you go for Playwright and Java, means Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, and I already told you how to go as experience. Okay, okay, guys. So many questions, and some of the question also having the common question to everyone. Okay, if you have still any doubt, I came live. I have a two channel. One more channel is there. That is the Hindi channel where I am posting the video for the career guidance. And this is my Ingenious Tech, a very old channel. Earlier I was coming live, but due to some reason I stop it. But I will plan in the future also. So guys, automation is your first skills. Whatever the tools and whatever profile you have, or in company in which project you are working, just check how to improve the current process, how you can, how you can apply whatever the current process is there, how you can apply the AI stuff and all. Okay, सर जब वीवीएम मार्केट में आ जाएगा और फ्री रहा तो सेलेनियम एंड प्ले राइट बंद हो जाएगी, क्योंकि कोडिंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर वीवीएम लाइक अ सिंपल इंग्लिश. Still, bro, many codeless automation tools are there, and I told you right, 100% automation we cannot trust. BBM is the open source. Okay, suppose I am working in one of the backend application. How the BBM will test my application? Your testing skills will never die. Tools will come and go, but your testing skills will never die. Okay, I have a application now. Okay, we have a API. We have some backend. Backend means we are doing some testing with Linux application. Linux means we are using the Linux um, system. Okay, is BBM will do. Why are you going for one flow? Understood, right? still you can see, just you can go 10 year back. Automation is not much, means we have a less manuals were there, right? Automation came, then everyone is saying, okay, there is no testing job, there is no manual. If you will go in the client round, right? So client will ask you the testing process. Okay, what tools will come later? Automation will not come directly. First of all, we have a requirement. If you will use AI, right? AI will not write 100% exact test scenario, 100% exact test cases. You have to modify. Understood, right? Who will modify? You tell me. Your mental space and passion automation, sir. Time you spend, sir. What struggle you have faced. Uh, so my story is completely different. Okay. So guys, simply what I can say, daily I am learning around 45 minutes daily. Okay. Monday to Friday. Sometime one and means sometime 4 days, sometime half an hour and 45 days. But I never stop learning. Okay, because if you guys know or don't know, I am also tutor. I take the live classes last 7 years. Okay, so if you guys are following my YouTube channel, you will seeing the post for YouTube channel as well. Okay, this is my online classes website, guys. Okay, you can see how much time you can spend. You decide yourself. Suppose you want to switch your company, you are a beginner in automation, and within 1 month you want to get everything, and definitely you have to spend more time, right? So I am spending 30 or 45 minutes as per my convenient. Okay, if you have a more time, I'm doing the multiple thing, guys. I'm not doing only job, or I have two YouTube channel. I take the live classes, many things are I am doing. Okay, three YouTube channels are there, I have to maintain your priority. But the thing is, you have a consistency. If you learn Monday to Friday, 1 hours, half an hour, that is fine. If you are spending 1 hours, suppose 3 days, I'm not considering your profile, uh, I can say 7 days, 3 days you are learning. In the week you are learning three hours. 1 month you can consider how many hours, and 1 year you can consider how many hours you have spent in one skills, and every 1 year you have a newer skill set. Okay, so just if you guys are spending daily on the your skill development, development, and definitely you will you have a confidence. Okay, how to create interest and passion in coding. I am from instrumentation background. When I passed out, uh, okay, I don't know what is how software work. When I was in Bangalore, so someone asked me, means I joined some non-technical profile job because I was zero in software, because I don't know anything. Okay, so when I joined one of the non-technical profile, then I asked to, many senior folks are there. Then I asked them, okay, what is the career growth of this profile? They said we have a limited thing, and I said then what I have to do. So one lady guided me. Oh, you can learn software testing. Okay, then okay, I started to learn software testing. I joined some of the institute, but they have given some what company is expecting, they did not give that knowledge. Then I left my job, I started to learn. manual automation. Passion, okay. So Haris, uh, nobody want to work also, okay. But why you are working? You tell me. Passion will come when you have a your view is something bigger, okay. So now you have to learn the programming to crack the interview. Okay, 100% same requirement developed by the ChatGPT and Gemini. Just you have to modify the code and you have to use in your project. Okay, please wake up early morning and start to learn the programming. Understood, right? Your mind is free and start to learn programming, and definitely day by day interest will come. Okay, so we have online classes also, beginner to automation, beginner to master class. You can reach out to me. Okay, every means the people who joined in my current class for the playwright all are the beginner. I started from the zero because I also started to learn programming from the zero, and I know how the people will understand the who is from the different background. Okay, so day by day I was exploring my skill set and started interview, but there was no direction. I attended more than 100 interview in Bangalore offline. Then I rejected in many interview. Then I understand what is the problem. Understood, right? The problem was the programming skills. I joined the classes. They teach only basics of the programming, if else method, for loop method. That's all means basics of Java. When I go for the interview, they are asking almost Java from all the concept in the depth. Understood, right? Then I understand this is the problem. Until I will not, good in the Java, I will not select in the interview. Understood, right? The same thing happening now also. Okay. So only inspiration is you guys have to work daily, make the interest. Just think your want job, right? I told you, right? Nobody want to work in the IT also. But why are you working? Because you are getting the decent salary, guys. If you have a decent salary, you can achieve your dream. What is your dream? Okay, do you want to buy some uh, your what is your dream? Keep in your dream in your mind and start to work. Okay, understood, right? Interest will come. Okay, okay, guys. So I think 1 hours I committed. Okay, so that's all. If you have a 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I will stay again means here. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me, or we'll try to come. You know, live session. Okay, so thanks for everyone to joining here also. Okay, I'll keep posting. Follow my YouTube channel. You will get many things over there, many posts, many updates. Okay, you can connect with LinkedIn also. I'm very active on social media. Okay, because I cannot talk to every people individually. So if I have any information I pass, you can follow my LinkedIn. You can reach out to me. But yeah, sometime might be you cannot expect I can reply because in the working days it's very difficult for me. Okay, so okay, guys, so I will wind up this session. If you have any doubt, how are the job opportunity for Tosca is a tools. Okay, don't go for the shortcut. This is the less requirement. I told you, please learn programming. Please learn programming. Okay, please learn programming. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, please learn programming. You have a limited knowledge of limited requirement of Tosca. Go for JavaScript, Python, and you know um, what else? Python. Okay, I will recommend you go for JavaScript with Playwright. Many tutorial have also classes already started. Okay, if you want to join, you can join it. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you in the next live session. Thanks for joining.